How to create a Facebook monetizable page. I said monetizable page because there are some pages that you cannot monetize. Yes, if you do not create a page the right way, you won't be able to monetize that page when it's time for monetization. Here is one of my Facebook page, and I have successfully grown this page to over 200,000 followers within the space of 3 months. Yes, now when it comes to growing and monetizing a Facebook page, it all depends on the settings you did on that page while creating the page, and this is exactly what I'm going to teach you on this video. You can actually stay on Facebook for years, for months, without being able to monetize the page just because of the way you did what you created the page. That is why in this video I am going to teach you how to create a Facebook monetizable page. Now, a page that you can monetize within 1 month of creating the page. Isn't this amazing? Now, if this sounds like something you are interested in, go ahead and do it and hit the subscribe button. Now, without wasting time, let's go into the tutorial. Let's go. Now come to your profile, because we are creating a page from your profile. Then the first thing now is to check the health of your profile. You want to make sure that that profile does not have issue, because if you have issue, we cannot create a page from me. So click that 3-dot line there, or you might see your own down here, or this other 3-dot line, whichever one. Shall click the 3-dot line yourself. Let's click this one. Now when you open this way, you click on this profile picture there, click on it, all right, and then you scroll up until you see profile status. Click on this profile status. Yes, now when you click on it, it will open this way. Ensure that you see that place where there is green. Yes, make sure that it's green. If it's not green, it means that your profile have issue. So if it's green like that, it means that the profile is okay and we can create a page from it. Do you understand? So you have to check this place first of all before we proceed. Now if you have checked it and it's in order, you go back. The next thing, click on that 3-dot line there. Click on the 3-dot line there. Okay, now when you click on that 3-dot line, then you click on see more. All right, click on see more. Under see more, you're going to see pages. Click on pages, you understand? Then click on create. Look at it, click on create. All right, then when you click on create, then you're going to put your page name, that name that you want your page to be bearing. I always advise that you make it very short. Make your name short, you understand? So you are going to impute the name that you want your page to be bearing. Do you understand? Now page name is different from profile name. Impute the name of the page after imputing it. So let's assume this is the name of the page. You understand? Remember, we are creating a page. I'm teaching you how to create. So after imputing the name this way, you will click on next. All right, click on next. Then after clicking on next, you are going to select the category of that your page. This place is very, very important. Some of you you want to be doing comedy on your page, and then you go ahead and then you select tech instead of the comedy. Some of you go and select music. Do you understand? Ensure that you properly put your page category according to what you want to do. Let's say this page is for comedy. Now I'll put comedy there. Do you understand? Please, this is very important. Ensure that you choose the right one. Do you understand? Because when you choose the right one, Facebook will now know the right people to be distributing your videos to. They will now know the people that they can actually take your videos to. If you choose the wrong one, now they'll be giving your videos to the wrong people, and some of you end up not growing on Facebook because of the category you choose while creating this page. This is very important. Ensure you pay attention to this particular part. Now when creating a page, choose the page category according to what you are doing. After that, click on create. All right, now when you click on create, it will bring you to this other interface. This place you have to put your banner. You have to put your banner in that bigger size, or you put a picture. If you don't have banner, you put a picture. Just go ahead and do it and select any of your good picture and put it there. Some of you will go and select celebrity picture. Go and look for one celebrity picture and put it there instead of putting your own picture. These are the reasons why Facebook will disable your page. They will tag it inauthentic. You understand? Because they don't understand. They will look at it, you are spamming, you are representing someone else. Ensure you fix your pictures. So after fixing your picture, okay, it will bring you to this other interface here. Just click on this select all. Do you understand? Click on select all to invite friends. Make sure you do click on select all, because Facebook is testing if you're a human or robot. So invite all the friends there. Do you understand? Just click on select all. Ensure you do it. Select all, because you are inviting all the friends there. Remember, don't say I don't know these people, I will not invite. Click on select all, invite them first. Then after that, look at it now. Invitation selected friends. You have sent invitation. It will bring you to this other interface. This place now, do you want to be getting notification on your profile? Do you understand? Or do you want to be getting notification on your email? If you don't want, you can turn it off. Do you understand? So if you don't want it, you can turn it off. If you don't want the other one, whether you want to be getting email, you can turn it off. But it's always advisable you do what? You turn them on. Yes, turn them on so that you can be receiving messages. Do you understand? Very, very important. You turn it on. So go ahead and turn it on. Then the next part now, click on skip. click on skip again. Okay, click on skip. Then this part, don't skip this part. Oh, now this part, now they say you should connect with some people. You understand? You should follow some people. This is the algorithm testing whether you're a robot, so ensure you follow some people. Okay, now it will bring you to this interface where they say we should add some important information. Remember, this page is already created, but we want to now optimize, we want to make sure that everything is order. So this place, some of you, if you don't add all this important information here, that page it will not work. Do you understand? That is the reason why they will disable the page. Before you know, they will say inauthentic, they will say verify, and they will disable it. So click on that pencil icon there, click on it so that we can properly add all the necessary information. We'll start with address. Okay, so you click on address, click on add address. All right, then after clicking on it, then you add your address, your city. Okay, after that you add your email. Very important, add your email. Do you understand? After adding your email, ensure you add your phone number as well. You are adding email and phone number. Add your phone number here. Very important. Do you understand? Very important. Add all these things. If not, they will disable your page. They will say it's unauthentic. Then after that, this page is almost ready. In fact, it's ready. Now we want to do the final stage. All right, the final stage. We have to click on that 3-dot line by your right hand there, where you see that 3-dot line. Click on it there, because we want to choose this page category. Yes, click on this 3-dot line there. After that, you scroll up. Now scroll up and click on see more. Click on see more, then click on setting and privacy. Click on setting. Do you understand? Then click on setting. Now after that, to scroll up, you're going to see page type. Very important, because we actually have two type of pages. We have business page and a creators page. So we are going to click on this scroll up. When you scroll up this way, you're going to see page type. Look at this page type. Click on the page type to choose which page is this, if it's a business page or content creators page. You know, this is a content creator page. So when it opens this way, you're going to see the two categories of pages that we have. We have business page and we also have creators page. So we are choosing creator. You make sure you activate this. Very important. So ensure you choose your page type, which is creator, not business. Except your page is for a business, you can go ahead and choose what business. After that, click on next. All right, now when you click on it, this page is successful. We have successfully created a page. Look at it. You can see that this is a content creators page. Look at it up there. Is a page. Do you understand? Now this page is actually done, is ready. You can see now when you meet up the content creation criteria, they will now invite you, because this is a well created page. I hope you're following. So, but very important, make sure you ensure that you put this page on creator. Welcome back. If you are seeing me for the first time, my name is Uche Grow Tips, and in this my channel, I teach content creators how to grow and monetize that channel very fast and in the right way. So if this sounds like something you're interested, don't forget to do what? So hit the subscribe button. And in this my channel, we do what? We help each other to grow. So you're going to go into the comment section, all right, and pick a creator, pick someone and subscribe to his or her channel. Don't only subscribe, you're going to watch the person's video, because we are here to do what? To help each other grow.